Now we'll talk about the distance of a closest approach. An alpha particle directed towards the center of the nucleus will move close up to a distance r0, where its kinetic energy will appear as electrostatic potential energy. After this, the alpha particle begins to retrace its path. This distance r0 is known as the distance of the closest approach. Let m and v be the mass and velocity of the alpha particle. Directed towards the center of the nucleus, then the kinetic energy of the particle is Ek is equal to half mv square. Since charge of an alpha particle is 2e and that of the nucleus of the atom is Ze, the electrostatic potential force or energy of the alpha particle when at a distance of r0 from the center of nucleus is given by Ep is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon into 2e Ze by r0, where Z is the atomic number of the atom and epsilon 0 is the permittivity of free space. On reaching the distance of the closest approach r0, the kinetic energy of the alpha particle appears as its potential energy is given by Ep is equal to Ek. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2e into Ze is equal to r0, which is equal to half mv square, where r0 is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon into 4Ze square by mv square, where Ek is the kinetic energy, Ep is the potential energy, epsilon naught is the permittivity of free space, mass is m, v is velocity, 2e is the charge of an alpha particle, Ze is the nucleus of the atom, and r0 is the distance of the closest approach.